Okay, back for week 13. This is ELA-W, getting into study of Haiti and the DR, and race relations, and ethnic histories. And I don't think that shows up so well, but what we have here is a heading that says Dominican Republic, 2 countries, 1 island. And before class, welcome class, before we get into our discussion of what's been happening for people in the Dominican Republic of Haitian descent and the challenges that they have faced and continue to face, we want to make sure that you know what I mean when I say Haiti and the Dominican Republic. So as you see, there's a beautiful climate. How would you describe the climate, first of all, based on the picture and based on, actually, raise your hand if you've been to the DR. Yeah, good. I figured there would be a number. I really want to personally. I'm going to try and go. We get a break after this trimester, and more than anything in the world, I really want to go to the DR and see it for the first time. Also because it's going to be February, and as you can see from the climate, that sounds really good to me in February. Who can describe it? Sunny, warm, beautiful, yes, tropical, you would say, and that is indeed correct. So we're going to zoom out for a second and then zoom back in. I'm not sure how well this registers our map of the world here. So I want you to boo or cheer. When I point to a region, tell me, I want you to boo if it is close to the DR and cheer if it is, wait, you're booing if I'm away, you're cheering if I'm close. How about here? I like the boos that I hear. This is Russia. We're not very close. How about here? That's too many cheers. This is Africa. DR is not close to Africa. How about over here? Yeah, that is getting close. And so now we're going to isolate this territory. We call this the Western Hemisphere, and that is North America and South America. So here we have North America and South America. Hopefully Ms. Kern has worked with you in cardinal directions. You understand this is north, this is south. And again, I want you to boo and cheer. Am I close when I point up here? No, I am not. I'm pointing into northern Canada. There is not a tropical climate there. What about down here? No, this is the southern tip of Chile and Argentina. This is close to the South Pole. There's penguins down here. No. How about here? Yeah, we're getting close here. So let's zoom into what we call the Caribbean Ocean. And at this point, the map is labeled. You should be able to see, but we're going to, when am I pointing at the Dominican Republic? How about over here? Nicaragua. No. How about here? No, that's Florida. Florida's a part of what country? Yes, the United States. Very good. What about this little island here? This must be it. It's a Caribbean island. No, that's Puerto Rico. Very different. And here. Great. That is the Dominican Republic. And it helps to make the series of islands called the Antilles that sort of trap the Caribbean Sea inside Central America. And here we zoom in even more to, this is an island that altogether we call Hispaniola, but it's separated into 2 countries. And we're going to talk about why that separation exists, why that border exists. Borders are very interesting to me. I used to teach social studies, and my degree from college is actually in history. We do a lot of social studies discussion. So this border is the result of hundreds of years of countries fighting over this land. Why does someone fight over land? Land is dirt. Who cares about dirt? I'm not fighting over dirt. You're not fighting over dirt, or are you? Why would people fight? Hopefully I hear some people say natural resources, things like gold and silver, things like oil today is fought over. And there's a lot of differences between this country, the Dominican Republic, and this country, Haiti, even though they're actually connected. And as we're going to see over time, there's a shift in which parts of the island belong to which countries. So I want you now to shift to page 3 in today's packet, and we're going to look at a brief history of the island. And if I could have a volunteer pick up to start reading. This is an excerpt from Dominican Republic, history from 5000 to 1865, a colony on the wane. Yes, Raquel, go ahead and pick up. We're all following along, and then we're going to have a discussion over what colonization means and how Spain taking over this island begins the history of what we're going to talk about with Dominican Republic.